So earlier I was playing with this Remotion tool, which allows you to make videos programmatically. And there's a great video from Fireship about 3 years ago that really dives in deep on this tool. So I'm going to skip to what's new about it today. They released agent skills for Remotion, which allows you to integrate with Claude Code or any other agentic tool that you want to use with. So I'm going to show you, this is pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and first install the skills, and I'm going to skip over all of the other ones. I'm going to just do Claude Code, and I'm going to do the recommended installation method, and I'll proceed with install. And then I'm inside of a project that's an old project that I use for invoicing, and I'm going to ask Claude to generate a promo video for this project. We're inside of an invoicing tool for small businesses. I want you to analyze the project to pull out key pain points that it solves, and then create a promo video for this product. Use a modern SaaS style with a light theme, and use lucid icons for any icons that you might need. Make it not too tech themed, but more of a modern and clean aesthetic. Make sure you tell a story about the pain points and the features that solve those pain points. So I'm going to kick off this prompt, and then it's going to explore this application. So it's just reading all of the data models, understanding the features, and it'll just keep chewing through this. So I'll just give this a bit of time to understand the project, and then it should use the Remotion skill to create that promo video. Okay, so it has a complete understanding of the app. Let me create a promo video, and you just saw it kind of scrolled by, but it activated the Remotion best practices skill. So let me read the Remotion rules to understand best practices for creating this promo video. And it's going to go ahead and use all of that knowledge to create a promo video. And now it's going to go ahead and create that project. Remotion is actually built in React, and it allows you to render out videos to MP4. So if I bring up a diff view, you can see that it's building out some components in React using the Remotion framework. And it looks like it's making a mock UI. It's got a root scene. It's got a theme. It's got some animated text. So it's just working through, and it's going to make some individual scenes. So while that's working, I'll show you a different video that I put together. And just a couple of prompts, I was able to build this quick promo video for the channel. And I literally just pointed it at the buildatscale.tv website, told it to grab some thumbnails and make a promo video. And then I did a couple little prompts to clean it up. And within a few minutes, it's got a pretty great looking video. Now, I'm no motion designer, but with a little bit more effort, you could totally polish this up into something even greater. So I'll let this finish up, and then I'll come back and I'll show you the final output. So it finished up, but I wasn't really satisfied with the first pass. So I asked it a couple more requests, gave it some prompt for 3D animation, browser mocks, things like that. It did a little bit more iterating on the project. And then I also asked it to make it a light theme because it didn't capture that after it made those changes. And then I also asked it for a few more little changes here and there just to get it dialed in a little bit more. And then it went ahead and rendered out the video. So let's take a look at this and see what we got. Look at that, nice. Invoice smarter, get paid faster. Problem with invoicing, time spent, late payments, invoicing that just works from time tracking to payment in 3 simple steps. Track time, create invoice, get paid. Invoicer, spend less time invoicing, more time doing what you love. So yeah, that was pretty nice. So that was, maybe 3 or 4 prompts. I asked it for some 3D animation, some browser mocks. It analyzed my entire code base. And yeah, the project really does do that. I track my time, I create an invoice, and I get paid. So pretty accurate. Invoicer, get started free. Very nice. So yeah, take a look at Remotion. Take a look at this new skill that they just released. I'm pretty impressed, honestly. Yeah, point it at your project, see what you can get from it. So yeah, that was it for today. If you found the video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more in the future. Thanks for watching.